Hey there! It is Chimpu's birthday today. Our friends Chirpy, Rory, Jumpy, Bunny are at Chimpu's home to celebrate his birthday.
Happy birthday, Chimpu!
Thank you so much, my dear friends.
Hey, come on. Let's cut the delicious-looking creamy fruit cake.
Yes, sure. Come on.
Happy birthday, Chimpu!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you,
Chimpu!
Happy birthday to you,
Chimpu!
Wow, you all have got gifts for me.
Yes, Chimpu, it's your birthday today. So each one of us has got a birthday gift for you.
Oh, thank you all so much.
Hey, this gift box looks like a square.
Well, this gift box is cube-shaped, Rory. Cube-shaped? What is a cube, Chirpy? A cube is a shape which has 6 sides. Each side is square-shaped.
Oh, so this is cube-shaped. Let us have some fun and look for more objects which are cube-shaped.
What a great idea! Bunny and I will look for objects in the kitchen which are cube-shaped. I will look for cube-shaped objects in the living room.
And I will search for cube-shaped objects in my bedroom.
Okay, you all search for objects which are cube-shaped and then bring them to me.
All our friends are busy searching for cube-shaped objects.
Look, a tiffin box. It has 6 equal sides. And so it is Cuban-shaped.
This is a dice and it is also Cuban-shaped. This is a cheese cube and it is Cuban-shaped.
There are some more objects which are cube in shape. A sugar cube and a cardboard box.
Friends, it's my birthday today, remember?
Come on everybody, it's party time!